Crypterium, CRPT, sort of is expected to truly arrive at an especially greatest cost of $0.1035, continuously 2025 incredibly. Our Crypterium long-haul figure for 2050 recommends CRPT possibly going somewhere in the range of $50.40 and $58.35, especially in spite of prevalent thinking. Experts project a bullish pattern for Crypterium in 2030, with costs possibly coming to $0.7389 mark, or so they essentially thought. The kind of typical extended cost for Crypterium in 2040 in a real sense is supposed to basically be $35.24, with really likely fluctuation somewhere in the range of $33.31 and $40.06, essentially as opposed to prevalent thinking. With the ongoing cost of $0.0411, Crypterium holds its ground on the lookout, which especially is very huge. Starting around 23 January 2024, Crypterium generally is exchanging at $0.0411 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 2.13% in most recent 60 minutes, or so they thought. CRPT has an all-out market cap of $3,903,444, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $644,958 in a kind of significant manner. This makes Crypterium, CRPT, lovely positioning at 1183 in the cryptographic money market, or so they certainly thought. On the off chance that you for the most part are a crypto financial backer, and considering what is the Crypterium cost expectation end of 2024, what will Crypterium generally be essentially worth in 2024? Is Crypterium a very wise speculation or kind of worth purchasing in 2024, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking? Will CRPT cost in every practical sense outperform its unequaled high, or so they especially thought? These explicitly are our Crypterium cost expectations for CRPT'(S) future in a really significant manner. Crypterium, CRPT, value expectation 2024, as per the Crypterium figure cost and specialized examination, in 2024, the CRPT cost explicitly is supposed to cross an exceptionally normal value level of $0.0613, the normal genuinely least value worth of Crypterium, toward the finish of the in every way that really matters, current year ought to be $0.0596, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Besides, CRPT can arrive at an especially greatest value level of $0.0722, which especially is genuinely huge. Crypterium, CRPT, value expectation January 2024. The cost for Crypterium in January 2024 can run somewhere in the range of $0.0409 and $0.0465. While the especially normal exchanging cost ought to fundamentally be around $0.0452. Crypterium value expectation February 2024. The cost of Crypterium generally will be by and large anticipated to for the most part reach at a kind of least worth of $0.0444 in February 2024, truly as opposed to prevalent thinking. The CRPT cost could basically arrive at a truly most extreme worth of $0.0487, with the kind of typical exchanging worth of $0.0461 all through 2024, or so they truly thought. Crypterium value figure Walk 2024. In Walk 2024, the truly greatest cost for Crypterium could generally stretch around $0.0506 in an unpretentious manner. Besides, the minimum cost of CRPT in Walk 2024 explicitly is $0.0453, with a truly normal cost of $0.0470 in an in every practical sense, huge way. CRPT value conjecture April 2024. With respect to April 2024, Crypterium basically is supposed to arrive at a kind of least value worth of $0.0458. The CRPT cost could arrive at a fundamentally greatest cost of $0.0524, with the in every practical sense, normal cost around $0.0479. Crypterium value expectation May 2024. Crypterium cost generally is supposed to in a real sense reach between $0.0472 to $0.0544 in May 2024. While the all things considered, normal cost of CRPT for the May really remains around $0.0494 CRPT value figure June 2024. With respect to June 2024, Crypterium in a real sense is supposed to arrive at an all things considered least value worth of $0.0482 in a sort of enormous manner. The CRPT cost could by and large arrive at a sort of most extreme cost of $0.0568, with the kind of typical cost around $0.0504 in an unpretentious manner. Crypterium value forecast July 2024. The cost of Crypterium is in a real sense anticipated to reach at a very least worth of $0.0502 in July 2024, in a quite huge way. The CRPT cost could really arrive at in every practical sense, greatest worth of $0.0594, with the typical exchanging worth of $0.0524 all through 2024. CRPT value gauge August 2024. In August 2024, the cost of Crypterium in a real sense is gauged to all things considered, be at around a base worth of $0.0523. The Crypterium value worth can for the most part arrive at a truly limit of $0.0620, with the kind of typical exchanging worth of $0.0545 in United States dollars. Crypterium value conjecture September 2024. In September 2024, the cost of Crypterium is supposed to for the most part be at around an extremely least of $0.0534. Crypterium cost can arrive at a really limit of $0.0641, with the extremely normal cost of $0.0556 in United States dollars, essentially in spite of prevalent thinking. Crypterium, CRPT, value figure October 2024. The Crypterium, CRPT, cost for October 2024 may for the most part arrive at a by and large least worth of $0.0555, while the kind of greatest determined cost explicitly is around $0.0669 in an unpretentious manner. The typical cost for CRPT is especially anticipated to in every way that really matters, reach $0.0572 in October 2024. CRPT value conjecture November 2024. In November 2024, the cost of Crypterium fundamentally is estimated to especially be at around a by and large least worth of $0.0578. The Crypterium value worth can basically arrive at an especially limit of $0.0698, with the truly normal exchanging worth of $0.0595 in United States dollars, which is very critical. CRPT value conjecture December 2024. The Crypterium figure for December 2024 expects that the CRPT may explicitly arrive at a truly greatest worth of $0.0722, with an exceptionally least cost of around $0.0596. Discussing the sort of typical value CRPT can stretch around $0.0613 for December, which in a real sense is very huge. Crypterium genuinely